Status update on the Wagoneer bodywork so far. I've been going through and trying to clean off all the residue and some of the seam sealer that's on this thing, and I just keep finding more and more rust. This thing is going to be a giant pain in my butt. Right now I'm thinking on going and pricing out to see what it's going to cost me to have this thing sandblasted, or see if I can get a dustless blasting company to bring their rig out here and see what it's going to cost me to do that. But here, when I took the quarter windows out, there at that seam, I found a bunch of rust in there along this edge. And then tragedy finally struck. My luck ran out. When trying to take the doors off, I got most of the bolts out, except for that one down there that's got all the heat marks on it. Yeah, I heated that thing up, got it dang near red hot, hit it with PB Blaster multiple times, and I ended up breaking all three of my T45 Torx bits, so now I'm waiting for more to arrive so I can finish taking this dang car apart. I knew I was going to break one. I was just hoping that I wouldn't break all of them. But there's the update for the moment. I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks a lot.